Morning, everybody. Quick video on how to swap out your car battery. The Pilot, 2007 Honda Pilot, will not start. At first I was worried about the starter because all the lights were on inside the car, but then I jump started the car with the Tahoe and it started up just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop a new battery in and we'll see if that fixes the problem. So when removing the battery, the most important thing is to leave the red terminal connected, remove the black terminal first, then I'll take apart this holding bracket here, then I'll disconnect the red terminal and then pull the battery out. This is all going to be 10mm sockets. You will want a deep socket for these nuts that are holding the battery in. So we'll get that pulled out and then we'll go get a new battery. Just a quick note, you might want to spray some penetrating oil onto these 10mm nuts just to help loosen them up. You just need to loosen them, and then you can pull this holder off the battery. All right, with the terminals and that bracket removed, we should be able to just pull this guy out. So I got the new battery at O'Reilly's. This was $134 plus $22 for the old battery core. Got all the cables snug. Did connect the red side first. Got this bracket in there holding it nice and tight. And now that we're all done, let's see if she starts. I might as well just try the remote start for this. Perfect. This project's done. Took about an hour.